Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have this 2016 Kia Sedona, and on this Sedona we're going to go over how you would jump start the vehicle. First you would pop the hood and get inside to where your battery is, which is located right here, and we're going to you pop this cover. So you're jump starting the vehicle because it won't start. You're getting that click click noise. You're going to need a little bit more power into it, or you left your headlights on, or your battery's just gone bad. So to do that, we're going to hook up we have a set of jumper cables, and you hook the positive up here, okay, and then you hook the positive up to the other battery, your donor vehicle, and then you'll hook this negative up to a good ground. We're just going to hit this ground wire that's already grounded down there, right? And then you hook the other negative to the other battery, and then you would have that other car running, charge up this battery for a good 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, to give it some charge in it, and then start the car and be good to go. Test it. If you know you just blew the battery because you left the lights on, well, then you might not have another issue, but you're also may want to have your battery tested and checked, or your alternator itself, and see how much amperage is being put out by the alternator, or volts, to keep it charged. Your battery should be sitting at a good 12.5 or a little bit more depending, and if you're not getting that and it's not maintaining that, either the battery is bad or your alternator is not charging it enough to keep it full. So that would be how you would jump start your car, and then when you're done, then you just unhook the cables from both vehicles. Don't touch the cables together or you'll have some sparks go. And that's how we jump start your vehicle. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.